Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2009 Mitsubishi Pajero, stock number 5935. This ran from 09 2008 to 08 2014. Has a 4M41 3.2 litre diesel turbo engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the 4M41 3.2 litre diesel turbo engine. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right front factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifters. AC control. Display unit. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Factory 4-spoke steering wheel. Instrument cluster.